Hey guys, it's Kelly. Hey, I thought I'd share this technique with you for cutting your embossed die cuts without the frustration. So real quick, this is not my idea. I learned this from Gina K. And she makes a little template. So once you cut one out, you hang on to one. And then when you emboss another thing like you do, then you put your template over it and then you cut it. So this is embossed using my favorite ink, which is VersaFine Onyx Black. And then I do not fuss with black embossing powder because if I do, it's all over the place. I'll have little specks everywhere and I hate that. So instead, I will stamp it in whatever color I want it to be, and then I emboss with clear embossing powder, because if the clear embossing powder gets melted in a little speck somewhere else, you don't see it. So that has been my solution. I've done a video on it before, but that has been my solution to all of my aggravation. I suck at embossing with the embossing powder that's colored. It's everywhere. It doesn't matter how many times I use my little non-stat, my anti-whatever tool. It doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. It's still, I got little specks everywhere. So that was the solution I found. So, but this, the other thing that gets frustrating is when you've got the perfect stamped and embossed sentiment, and then you go to use the die cut that comes with it, and you run it through and it's a little off. Grr, right? Oh, God, so frustrating. So instead of getting frustrated, what Gina K taught me, not me, just everybody, is once you've got a little template, I've reused this one many times, you put it over your, let me show you, I'm going to get close. You put it over your project, and wherever it's cut here is exactly where it will be cut on your new one. So just space it out wherever you exactly, like, get it really where you want it, and then put your template down, and then that's exactly where it will cut. So it's like a preview, so I can see exactly where it's going to cut and exactly where it's going to be. And then when you take your die cut and you place it on there, it sticks right in place, like a puzzle piece. You can feel it where it is, and then you just tape it down again, and then you run it through, and then you wind up with your perfect cut every time. So this has been like a huge saver of lots of swear words and aggravation for me. So I wanted to share it with you guys. And I love my sidekick. It's a new addition to my craft room. Oh my God, it's so cool. Sorry, I was really close. And yeah, my sidekick, I love it. So let's see. I got 3 that worked with this. So this process. And I know it was proven because I watched her do it. And I also watch one of the other crafters for her, Kathy Zilski. Look, it's perfect. I love it, love it, love it. Came out great. I'm going to cut some extra ones to put behind it. So yeah, I hope that helps you guys. Use your template and then put it over it, and hopefully that will save you some time. I'll be back in a little bit, show you some Christmas cards that I've been doing. They're a lot of fun, and hope that helps. Thanks, guys.